Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I love oat milk. It is my favorite type of non-dairy milk to use. And I am constantly trying new ones to see which one I like best. But I think that my search is finally over. This Good Karma plant milk is so delicious. I don't think I'll ever try another kind. The first time I tried this chocolate plant milk, I was blown away. The flavor is delicious. It's so nice and creamy without being extra sweet. One thing I really love is that they do not have to be stored in the fridge until they're open. I really only have issues with dairy, but these would be so good for anyone who has issues with dairy, nuts, or soy because it doesn't contain any of that. My son loves it as well, so it's a great alternative when he's just been drinking water all day to give him a little treat. They're the perfect size, so I usually like to throw one in the side of my diaper bag for either me or my son while we're out and about. The consistency is so nice and creamy. It's perfect for my afternoon coffee. I love how delicious these Good Karma chocolate oat milks are, and you will too, and they're great for on the go. But that's just my point of view.